Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the 3 lights from GVM. There are 2 types of setups that are commonly used. So for the first set, I'm going to use 2 of 560 panel lights and 1 of the 80-watt spotlight. The 80-watt spotlight is using as the background light. Because the spotlight is more concentrated and brighter, place the light behind the model and hit the background. The rest of the lights are easy to observe. After the background is brightened, then you can use contour light. Use a GVM 560AS. Hit the back side of the model. Adjust the angle until a contour light appears on the cheek. After that, put a 560 panel light on the left front as a main light source on the model's face as the main light source. Adjust the appropriate brightness and adjust the color temperature by the APP. So that's the first way, and the first way is more suitable for interviews, product reviews, and online courses. For the second setup, first of all, fold the barn doors of 560 panel to a square for a better light concentration on one spot. Then put the red-colored paper on the light. Place the light on the left side of the model. Then put another 560 panel red glass paper on it, and place it in front of the model on the right as a main source on the light for model's face. Finally, place the blue paper on the spotlight, but allow a small opening of the white light to shot on the model body. Adjust the appropriate brightness, and you are set. Thanks for watching.